UCAT season is right around the corner. For those of you applying to medicine or dentistry, this is perhaps one of the biggest parts of your application. And you only have one shot per year, so you need to smash it. One of the biggest questions people ask is, when should I start preparing and for how long? Or should I even prepare? Well, I'll tell you one thing for sure, you definitely do need to prepare. Anyone who tells you otherwise is either stupid or is preying on your downfall. As to how much you should prepare though is a different question. So UCAT testing runs from around the start of July till the end of September. So essentially in the summer holidays and the start of year 13 if you're applying straight from school or sixth form. The great thing about the UCAT is you can book your test anytime in this period, and you can even change it up to 24 hours before. First of all, my biggest advice for deciding when you should sit your UCAT is to do it in the summer holidays. Don't wait for the late September, mid-September when you've already started year 13. The UCAT is a big commitment at the end of the day, and there's no sugarcoating it. It's a hard exam. And so to juggle that along with the start of year 13 where you're busy with your personal statement and your A-level and any other commitments you may have, is just putting extra strain on yourself that you really don't need. So why put extra strain on yourself when you don't need to? Apart from that, book your test anytime within the summer holidays that fits you around your personal statement writing and your work experience and even your holiday plans. But here's the key thing. When you book your test, backtrack about 4 to 6 weeks, and that is when you should start preparing. Many people will start preparing months and months in advance, but from speaking to others and my own experience, about 4 to 6 weeks is the sweet spot. But that doesn't of course mean 4 to 6 weeks of light work, an hour or two each day. It means 4 to 6 weeks of consistent hard work, a good few hours every single day. Now if you want to know specifically what to do in that time, go check out my preparing for the UCAT video. So you may be thinking 4 to 6 weeks for such an important exam. Is that enough time? Why not longer for such an important exam? Actually, what can happen by over-preparing is you'll get burnt out, your scores will start to decline, and you won't do as well as you're able to. You end up peaking too early, and by the time you sit your test, you won't be at the best of your ability. But of course, remember, everyone is different. What may work for me may not work for you, and what may work for you may not work for someone else. But remember, you have other areas of your application that you need to focus on too, and you don't want to burn out. So remember, work smart, not hard. I hope this video was useful, and if you need any other help with your UCAT, please check out my other videos, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.